मानते हैं कि भारत दूसरे देशों से किसी भी मायनों में पीछे नहीं है, मगर इसी विश्व में सबसे महान देश बनने के लिए ये जरूरी है कि भारतीय अपने देश के अद्वितीय पूंजी का सही उपयोग करें।
I really love India. I mean, I've traveled extensively all over the world, but this country has a strange pull. It just genuinely, it's like a magnet for me at least. This country is so powerful. Every step they say has been prayed on. This land is a country of spirit, and I truly believe it. What I dislike about India is simply I can say one thing: lethargy. I think as a country we are extremely intelligent people, brilliant people, but somehow we never get things done, or rather we delegate too much to other people, like example politicians, but we never really check on them if things are getting done. Another fact that I would like to bring about change in India is there's really very little dignity of labor. We don't respect our resources, our natural resources, our history. I think as a country, if we can develop more respect, more mutual tolerance, more love, more belongingness for each other, this country it's heaven.
खुद एक युवा होने के नाते शीतल देश के बाकी युवाओं को भी व्यक्तिगत तौर पर देश की प्रगति में अपना योगदान देने को प्रेरित करते हैं।
Around 6 months ago, I entered this forest. My friend brought me along, and when I came here, I noticed that this patch of the forest, which is 5 acres, compared to the rest, which is 500 acres, is more greener. The trees are more alive. It's cleaner, and I asked how, and someone pointed out this gentleman by the name of Mr. Tambe. And here's this person who retired from a bank at the age of 58. This was around 7 years ago. And he said, kuch to karna chahiye. That I don't want to waste my life, my retirement. I want to do something. So he passionately, dedicatedly decided, I'm going to adopt this part of the forest. And for the last 7 years, every day from morning 7 to 10, he is here, taking care of this forest. If you notice, this place, we literally from the urban ashram come often with a lot of our friends, and we meditate here, we do our workshops here, we actually water, we plant. This is what I call the power of one, the power of one individual to get up and say, what, I'm going to do this, come what may. Whoever wants to join me, come. If no one comes, no problem, I'm still going to do it. That's why I'm carrying this t-shirt, Kuch to karo yaar. Just wake up, there's so much to be done. And simple steps, just one small step every day. Pick a cause that you like, but कुछ तो करो यार, just कुछ तो करो।
अपने परिजनों और सहकर्मियों के बीच शीतल कैसे जाने जाते हैं, उन्हीं से सुनते हैं।
When he was a topper in class always, and when he decided to do engineering, it was basically our pressure that put him there कि नहीं, engineering is the best field, and you will excel over there. But as he told you all, he didn't enjoy doing it, and then because he had an inner feeling he wanted to do something very different, and that's what he's proved himself. And now I really enjoy seeing him what he's doing, because it's from his heart that he's doing it. It's not the routine stereotype of a male who wants to just earn money, have eat, sleep and drink. He wants to give something back to society what he's got.
आज अभी अच्छा लगता है कि अपने घर में 4 अच्छे लोग आते हैं, यहाँ से अच्छा विचार लेके जाते हैं, थोड़ी चहल पहल रहती है और कुछ न कुछ एक्टिविटी रहती है, और उसका भी सबके साथ मार्गदर्शन वो भी सबको देता है। तो आज मैं खुश हूँ। आशीर्वाद है कि वो जीवन में बहुत तरक्की करे, ऐसे ही लोगों का उसके हाथों और कल्याण हो, भलाई हो, और अपना जीवन में जो भी पाना चाहता है वो उसे भगवान बख्श करे।
Initial skepticism was there because it was a different idea which he mooted. But eventually, after seeing the kind of work he's been doing, in spite of no actual support from any of us, and I don't look at it as a profession. It's more like a personal commitment from his side. So I hope he does well, and it gives him pleasure, it gives us happiness.
Ashram is a place where we come here to explore, to share and to learn at every point. And it's been a great journey so far, and I look forward to be with him for a longer time.
21st सेंचुरी में वैदिक कल्चर को एक्टिवेट करने का इनका जो एफर्ट है वो देखकर मुझे बहुत ही खुशी हुई। शीतल जी का जो ये एफर्ट है वो मुझे बहुत ही सराहनीय लग रहा है, और आगे भी उनके सामने बहुत ही अच्छे और बड़े प्रोजेक्ट हैं, वो भी ऐसे ही सफलता से पूर्ण हो, ऐसी मेरी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं उनके साथ हैं।
This is a place in the city where anyone and everyone can unwind, de-stress and have fun, rejuvenate. It has lots of positive energies. I think Sheetal brings this positive energy in and around Urban Ashram. Thank you, Sheetal, for everything, whatever you have done, and all the activities you're going to do. I'm sure you're going to achieve many more things. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.
शीतल सांघवी के लिए स्वदेश वो देश है जहाँ प्यार और निस्वार्थ सेवा का भाव मौजूद है।
Swadesh for me means the land of the heart. It's a place where we all feel divine. It's a place where we are all connected with the spirit.
वतन की याद जब पल पल सताने लगे, परदेश में दिन काटे नहीं कटते और बस लौटने का मन करता है सरसों के खेतों में, आम के बगीचों में। स्वदेश के इस सफ़र में हमने आपको रूबरू करवाया कुछ ऐसे लोगों से जिन्होंने 7 समंदर पार अपनी काबिलियत का लोहा मनवाया और फिर ठानी अपनी कामयाबी अपने हमवतनों के साथ बांटने की। हमारे इस सफ़र में हम सफ़र बनिए और अपने सुझाव हमें भेजते रहिए।